Imagine living in a community where living conditions are like this. People outside Canterra, this may seem disgusting and unhealthy. Unfortunately, the citizens of Canterra believe this is a social norm to live by and promote these living conditions. There are some people in the community that believe there could be a change made, but unfortunately there are people that are resisting this change. For example, the students of the local school. How can we encourage the community to change their perception on recycling and proper waste management? Our solution is education and composting. We have provided the community with information about sustainability and a plan about composting in the Canterra community. We have begun to overcome the social norms that are currently accepted. Since unemployment in Puerto Rico is 12.2% and poverty at 44%, we hope that the community eventually achieves a fully functioning facility to create job opportunity in the near future. We hope to solve two problems with one solution: composting.
A current issue in the Canterra Peninsula is an overabundance of trash and waste. Since housing was originally laid out by citizens claiming space, a poorly infrastructured community was created. Roads are poorly laid out and poverty levels are staying constant. All these factors lead to poor waste management habits such as open dumping. A potential aid to preventing this are a local composting plant and educating local community members to at-home composting techniques.
In order to assess the feasibility of composting in Canterra, we toured local composting facilities on the island, worked with students, and met with local organizations. Viewing larger-scale facilities allowed us to see the process that others have successfully implemented in Puerto Rico and ask directed questions about their operation. From this, we identified steps to form a composting plan for the Canterra region. Next, talking to students provided insight about the community's lack of knowledge on sustainability and the concept of composting. We obtained what information was needed to develop a strategy to counteract negative social attitudes towards properly handling waste. Lastly, we met with local organizations like the San Juan municipality to evaluate what infrastructure is needed to establish a small composting operation.
From these methods, we generated an overview of data and the next steps to take for the sponsor. This includes a plan for the implementation of a composting program in the Canterra Peninsula, as well as materials for community education on sustainability. We hope that Canterra will continue with the composting effort to further improve the infrastructure of the peninsula.